Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. Have you tried linking your Instagram account to your TikTok and it's not working recently? The first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Next is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the edit option. Click on the link option. You're going to see an option called Instagram here. Just click on the add. So it's going to take you to this phase where you have to add your Gmail account and your password and login. You will notice that it's not working. It's just going to be showing kind of metric. The reason is best known to TikTok. In order to confirm why it is not working that way, you just have to check back. Click on the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll gently. Click on report a problem. Click on account and profile. Click on editing profile. Click on order. So right here, you just have to scroll. Click on no. Your problem has not been resolved. Click on no. Click on need more help. Please, I want to link my Instagram account to TikTok and send it. So TikTok will give you reply immediately. It says, thank you for your interest. At the moment, updating social media links on your profile is in limiting testing. We appreciate your patience while we work to make this feature available to more users soon. So the problem is not from you, it's not from your Instagram, it's actually from TikTok. They are trying to resolve something. So when they are through with it, they will update us on that, and I will also update you on that. So guys, that is it on how to fix Instagram link not linking on your TikTok profile. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.